Hello viewers, Flipkart has started early sale on flipkart.com and Amazon has also started early sale. You can see discounts on tablets on both the sites, so people are curious to know about the best price, whether they should buy any tablet at that price or not. There are tons of tablets that you can buy right now, starting from 10,000 to 50,000 or more. At the time of buying any tablet, you must know the exact pricing or the best price of each and every product so that you don't get befooled by the sellers on Flipkart as well as on Amazon.in. I will pick some of the questions that people have asked me. One of the users asked me whether he should buy Motorola Pad 60 Pro or Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. I think both the tablets are good enough, but in Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus you will get stable software updates for long-term usage. However, the processor on that tablet is not so good, but multimedia consumption will be very good on Tab S9 FE Plus. On the other hand, Motorola Pad 60 Pro offers a better processor and the display is also very good. You will get Moto Pen inside this, so you will have a lot of multimedia consumption and also creativity tasks will be done smoothly on this tablet also. Plus the price is under 25,000 rupees, so this is also an added advantage. Now you have to decide whether you like Samsung products or you can manage with Motorola Pad 60 Pro, because you will not get smooth software updates on this tablet. Next, many users are asking me whether they should buy iPad 11th generation or Tab S9 FE Plus. The answer of these questions will be subjective to many persons. If you are in the Apple ecosystem, in that case iPad 11th generation will be best for you, but if you don't use iPhone and you want to have a larger display tablet, in that case Tab S9 FE Plus will be your choice. Next, many users are asking me whether Redmi Pad Pro is a good option under 20,000 rupees. I think yes. If you can get Redmi Pad Pro Wi-Fi variant under 16 or under 17,000 rupees, that will be a very good buy. Next, many users want to buy tablets under 15,000 rupees and they are asking me to mention the best tablets under this price bracket. Under 15,000 you can buy 3 products. The first product is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. The second product is Oneplus Pad Go, and the third product is Redmi Pad 2. Similarly, if you have a tight budget of 20,000 rupees, in that case you can buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. If you get this under 20,000, only then buy this tablet. The next tablet that you can buy under 20,000 rupees is Poco Pad 5G. Also, you can consider Xiaomi Pad 6 if you don't bother about software updates. Under the price bracket of 25,000 rupees, you can consider buying iPad 10th generation. If you get this under 25,000 rupees, you can definitely buy it. And also you can buy Oneplus Pad if you get this 256GB variant under 22,000 rupees. If you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE or S10 FE Plus, I will suggest you to wait till Big Billion Days sale to get the best discounts on these two products. Next, if you have a budget of 40 to 50,000 rupees, in that case you can buy iPad Air M3 or M4. Many people are asking me about Oneplus Pad 2. If you get Oneplus Pad 2 under 33,000 rupees for the 256GB variant, in that case you can buy that. And if you get the 128GB under 30,000 rupees, you can buy that tablet. So these are some of the questions that people have asked me, and I tried to cover these questions in this video. If you have any questions, you have to like the video and then ask your questions. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.